What's up guys, it's Robin here from thedancedojo.com, and I wanted to continue and do a part 2 of a video I recently published on how to adjust your lead for beginner salsa partners. And I wanted to continue that conversation because we got into things like listening before you speak, adjusting what you do, and adjusting how you do it. And now I want to talk more specifically about how to make sure you are having fun with a less experienced partner, because you can't do all those hard moves that you might want to do with someone who's more intermediate or advanced. So how do you find those moments of play with your partner, and what are some ideas or things you can do during a dance to have fun? So now that you've adjusted what you're doing and how you lead it, you've essentially identified this comfort zone of your partner, and now you want to learn how to play within those constraints. And when you're playing, if she makes a mistake, just smile and pretend that's what you meant to do. Nobody likes to feel like they're making mistakes. And dance, it's not about being good or perfect or right or wrong. It's just about having fun together. And people remember how you make them feel. If you make them feel great, they're going to want to come back to the next party and improve. If you give them a negative experience, they're not going to have fun, they're not going to keep dancing. So it's all about playing and having fun. So now, how do we do this in our partner work, and how do we do it in footwork? In partner work, keep her movements simple and add complexity for yourself. And wherever you can, add in some sort of playful movement. So you can do hair brushes, head loops. During a crossbody lead, you could add a check, which is a change of directions for her, which sometimes comes as a nice surprise. And you could do things like putting her hand on your shoulder or your back and then turning your head underneath her. You could do things like crossing arms and going beside her and doing a basic with her. Or again, you can interlock your arms and rotate around each other. Or very similar to Cuban style salsa, go into a hammer lock and simply walk around each other in a circle. You can also be playful in your shines. Now, if you just let go of her, she's probably going to be really nervous. You're just doing your own thing over here and you leave her to do her own thing over here. But if you make eye contact and you start doing a simple step, maybe with some body movement, something playful and fun that's easy for her to copy, you'll see her nerves disappear and you'll see her jump in, dive in, and start vibing with you. And then you can really start having fun. So a few simple ideas that I like to use during shines with more of a beginner follow are this. Often the core beats of 1, 3, 5, 7 are being emphasized, so I'll just step slowly on those counts toward her or around her. 1, 3, 5, 7. Because it's nice and slow, it's easy for her to follow. You can add a shoulder shimmy, throw in a smile. Giving her that energy and something simple that she can mimic really goes a long way. You could also stand in one spot and slowly move around in a circle on those beats. 1, 3, 5, 7. Again, moving your shoulders or doing hip circles. Lastly, one thing that I also really like to use that you'll see in Cuban dancing a lot is when they're doing those enchuflas or those changes of places and catching the lady on her shoulder and sending her back. If there's more of just like a groovy feel in the music, as you're switching sides, you can just kind of look at your partner, groove there, switch side, groove, have fun, do that as many times as you want, and then exit again into an enchufla or something like that that flows really nicely. Now, one person I wanted to mention that always has so much fun when she's dancing is Magna Gopal. She's an amazing follow. She's also an amazing lead. And the best part about her is she finds those moments to connect with her partner and have fun. It doesn't matter if someone's a beginner or an advanced dancer, she's able to listen before she speaks, both as a lead and a follow, and find those moments. She's really paying attention to what's happening in the music and with her partner, and she finds those moments to play. It's really cool to watch. So if you haven't already, check out some of her social dance videos. So, in summary, listen before you speak, pay attention to how she holds herself, how she moves, what she's comfortable with, so that you can adjust the moves you're doing, how you do them, and find those moments of play. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions for me, leave those in the comments below. If you'd like to go deeper into improving your social dancing for salsa or bachata, we've got amazing online courses for you at thedancedojo.com, so go check those out. Subscribe to get the next videos, and you'll see some more popping up here for you as well. Some great tips, so check those out if you want to keep watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.